Hey Boo, I have gotten a ton of questions about Fetch Rewards. So here is your tutorial on how to use Fetch Rewards. So I want to cover a couple things right off the bat. So this is the Discover page. This is essentially the home page for Fetch Rewards. At the top, you'll see the camera to play. We'll get into that. To the right, you'll see I have 4,971 points. And then at the bottom, there's Discover, the Beta Social. I don't use that. The orange camera, that's what you use to redeem. Rewards, and then me is just your account information. So then you just scroll down and you'll see offers. So you'll see these ones that say Amazon. They are specific to Amazon. You have to purchase them on Amazon in order to get the points back. And you'll see that for Walmart, for Kroger, for Meijer, for different grocery stores. So not every offer is going to be able to be used at any store. If you find an offer you like, you can just tap on it and then it will open it up and it will give you all of the details behind it. I didn't do that in this video, but you get the idea. So just so you know, not all Fetch accounts get the same offers. It does vary by account, so keep that in mind. This is how you can scroll through and check and see what you have available. So now we are going to redeem a receipt. I'm going to click that little orange camera and then click snap because this is a paper receipt. And then I'm just going to take a picture of it. And now we swipe up with that little camera icon in order to submit it. You'll see the green check marks. That means that I got the date, the store name, all that stuff. I earned 25 points. Now we're going to do the tap to play. This is a new thing with Fetch. They do it once every 24 hours. I just earned 75 points. Let me just tell you, that's the most I've ever earned. So I got 100 points for this receipt. So you can snap another receipt if you have several. Just so you know, if you do over 35 in a week, it will like ban your account for over a week. So don't do that. So now you see I have 5106 as far as points go. So I'm going to hit the rewards button at the bottom right and I'm going to click points available. So these are all of the things that I can get. I always do Amazon gift cards. That's just what I do. So you can then scroll. It's just easier to search if you know exactly what you're looking for. And then also is I'm going to hit the points at the top right corner, and this shows you a breakdown of the points you've gotten and things like that. So I have 5,106 points. And now I'm going to show you how to actually redeem these points. So I am going to be hitting this rewards button at the bottom right. I'm going to hit points available. I want an Amazon gift card. I can get a $3 Amazon gift card. We're going to click get my $3 reward. It's going to then ask you, do you want to use your points for this gift card? You click yes, and then it takes up to 3 days. I find that it takes longer than 3 days because here you go. It's processing. Like I said, it takes like 3 days, but look at that other one. I've been waiting since 3/10 for it. And so these are all of the gift cards that I've gotten in the past. Once it comes through, it walks you step through step trying to get it. That reward will actually have a red little circle like the other ones, and then you know your reward is ready. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.